gates open, they're up and racing. Look of Love takes the lead, running in second. D of Jade, then comes Robin Good. Lovable Tricia comes next. Then followed over by the rail by entry number 2, Bombardier. Then running alongside Buenas Hope, Rivaldo, and 3A. And that's King's Crown is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the half mile. Look of Love in command by about 2 lengths. Running in second now is Robin Good. D of Jade fading out in third. Moving up by the rail, Bombardier. Then running on the outside, Pip is Lovable Tricia. Buenas Hope. Ribaldo is by the rail second last, and a long way back to King's Crown as they turn to the last 450. It still look of Love leading the field, throwing a challenge now on the outside is Robin Good as they swing for home. We have Look of Love still leading the field. Robin Good moving up on the outside. Ribaldo sneaking in down on the inside is Bombardier, but it's still Look of Love by about half length, running by the rail, Ribaldo, and Robin Good is on the outside. Robin Good now takes the lead, and finally Robin Good. Then comes Buenas Hope, close between Ribaldo and Look of Love. Then comes 3A, King's Crown.